how did you decide that you want to rebuild your life?
I have to test myself at that time whether I would be able to make it or not.
From the date of getting your CPA result to getting placed, कितना time लगा इस पूरे process में?
It's completely a 1 month's time.
You've come from that side of the camera to this side.
Retain my learning for the longer term.
Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mythbuster podcast. Today we have the pleasure of speaking with Mr. Tushar Gupta, who is an alumni of Edumont, a successful CPA. He's recently been placed and he's got a reasonably respectable package as well, which is very good. But before I get into all of that detail with him, let's actually talk to the man himself and find out from, you, आपकी story. So, सबसे पहला जो मेरा सवाल है तुषार, which is वेरी रिपीटेटिव क्वेश्चन, बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, मैं बार बार पूछता हूँ, बट आई थिंक इससे थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड सेट हो जाता है, पता चल जाता है कि चाइल्डहुड डेज में आप कैसे थे. सो हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब योरसेल्फ एज अ स्टूडेंट इन स्कूल?
So I'm more than an average student, but a last minute preparer always.
अच्छा,
मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे साल पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तब एग्जाम
क्लास में पढ़ते थे, पास हो जाते थे.
yes yes
दैट्स द एजेंडा.
विद गॉड्स ग्रेस उसके बाद भी टॉप 4-5 में नाम आता था, तो इसलिए कभी उससे ज्यादा सोचना भी नहीं पड़ा कि ठीक है
तो
उतने पे
ज़्यादा
काम
सीरियसली
चल रहा
लेने
है.
की जरूरत नहीं थी.
करेक्ट.
तो यार आई नो दैट एज अ स्टूडेंट हु इज नॉट टेकिंग थिंग्स टू सीरियसली, मस्त वाला बच्चा होता है ना जो लास्ट 10 दिन में पढ़ता, पास हो जाता, बाकी टाइम मस्ती करता, यू वर दैट. तो फ्रॉम देयर यू वेंट ऑन टू डूइंग योर सीए. और मुझे ये भी पता, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वीव नॉट ओनली वीव डिस्कस दिस बैक स्टेज, बट आई हैव नोन यू नाउ फॉर आई थिंक लिटिल ओवर अ ईयर. तो मुझे पता दैट यू स्ट्रगल्ड विद योर सीए एज वेल. यू क्लियर्ड योर सीपीटी एंड योर इंटर इन वन अटेम्प्ट, बट फिर फाइनल में यू स्ट्रगल्ड अ लिटिल बिट. और 3-4 अटेम्प्ट दिए आपने, बट देन फाइनली यू हैड टू टेक अ कॉल कि अब दैट्स इट, दैट्स द एंड. यार ऐसी सिचुएशन में और भी लोग हो सकते हैं, कई लोग हो सकते हैं, एंड जरूरी नहीं सिर्फ सीए के साथ हो, और भी किसी चीज़ में हो सकते हैं. एंड आई नो फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, आई कैन टेल यू दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट व्हेन यूर इन दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. मतलब मन में गलत ख्याल भी आते हैं, यू फील हॉरेबल ऑल द टाइम, बट देन इट टेक्स अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ एफर्ट टू रीबिल्ड योर लाइफ, एंड यू डिड. तो मेरा जो सवाल है वो ये कि यार हाउ डिड यू डिसाइड दैट यू वांट टू रीबिल्ड योर लाइफ?
So that was in 2015 when I gave my last attempt for CA. At that time I scored about 198, and that was continuously 4th time I got something between 190 and 200, but not able to cross the mark.
आखिरी के 2-4 नंबरों में वजह से परेशानी
Yes
हो रही थी.
yes. And moreover I was able to clear all the 4 papers
अच्छा.
individually,
Okay,
but
वो
again not
total
able to
जो-
make it in total.
right.
So I tried for it about 2-3 times, and 4th time के बाद ऐसा लगा नहीं यार अभी ये नहीं हो रहा है, तो let's take a break for some time, because I was putting decent efforts and not getting the results which are up to the mark.
And you'd invested so much time also, right?
Obviously.
4-5 साल
Indeed.
दिए होंगे, अगर 4 फाइनल अटेम्प्ट
Definitely.
4-5 साल तो लाइफ के दिए इस काम में मिनिमम. Okay, so you got married is what the point is, right?
So in the meanwhile I got married as well. So उसके बाद तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था कि मैं फर्दर स्टडीज पे टाइम दे पाऊँ.
Exactly. शादी भी
I
हो गई
had
थी
to
साथ में, तो then तो फिर you had to
Yes.
get to work.
Correct.
So you went straight on to doing your starting
job
your career
then.
essentially,
Correct.
starting your job essentially. काफी टाइम जॉब भी करी, but then I also know that you did your CMA, US CMA that is.
Yes yes.
तो वो क्यों, वो कहाँ से आया आइडिया?
So in 2021 lockdown, I got a call from one of the very renowned institute of India about CMA, rather CPA. So they approached me for CPA. But when I asked them the cost for it, they told me that it's about 4-5 lakhs, which looks a little higher amount to me, because I have to test myself at that time whether I would be able to make it or not. There is no second chance available for me now.
क्योंकि देख लिया था ना, फेलियर
Correct.
होते देख लिया था,
तो वो सीए में एक बार मैं ऐसा फील कर चुका था. सो आई डोंट वांट टू फील दिस नाउ, एंड देयर इज नो ऑप्शन अवेलेबल फॉर मी. सो आई आस्क्ड देम कि कुछ ऑल्टरनेट इसका है, समथिंग फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, सो दैट आई कैन टेस्ट माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट, देन गो फॉर समथिंग बिगर.
अच्छा, तो ऐसे सीएमए पिक्चर में है. मतलब सीपीए अभी महंगी लग रही थी तो नहीं करनी थी, तो कुछ और करने के लिए यू डिड योर सीएमए शौक में, जस्ट टू सी हो भी पाएगा या नहीं.
इवन फॉर द शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन एज वेल. CPA is something which requires at least 12 to 18 months.
प्लस ये भी बात थी ना, आई थिंक यू हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग कि फिर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था ना 7-8
हाँ,
साल
so
बिल्कुल
that is
study
again
करते
one of the reason
हाँ
why I choose for a short duration and a easier course for now. कि 8-9 साल बाद I have to test myself कि मैं अब कर सकता हूँ या नहीं कर सकता.
ये भी बात थी
How much
बट
I am able
कर
to
तो कर
study.
लिया
Yes, I was able to do it thoroughly. I
एंड
must say.
वेल
Yes.
तो फिर देन आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस कि अब सीपीए तो फिर
हाँ, after
चालू
scoring
करना
more
चाहिए
than 95% in CMA, I was.
तो यू आर फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि अब करना तो है अब सीपीए कर सकते हैं but with that being said how much time did you take between after clearing your CMA and then getting to your CPA
Yeah, so that was just a month's time. Like I
Acha,
cleared
that's it
CMA in December 2022, and then started with the CPA in Feb 23.
हाँ almost Feb हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ
So
मतलब महीने डेढ़ का टाइम था
उसमें मैंने पता किया. I just the research about what all
किस
subjects
इंस्टीट्यूट
are
के साथ
there.
जाना
Yes, what all subjects are there, and like what is the curriculum about. So I felt कि यार ये तो CMA का काफी कुछ इधर carry on हो रहा है. Then so I don't want to lose it.
हाँ
So then I started something somewhere in Feb.
and you started CPA with us
Yes.
fair enough now your first exam you gave in
June.
which was BEC
Yeah, that was.
फिर उसके बाद
Then FAR in August.
हाँ
And thereafter in October I gave audit, and my last exam was reg. That was in December.
तो यार मतलब from June to December में you'd given all 4 papers then
Yes, all.
and you were able to crack it in one attempt जो मजे की चीज़ है चलो तो ये अच्छी बात है आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू ग्लोट ऑन योर अचीवमेंट हियर अच्छी बात है बहुत अच्छी बात है बट माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज नॉट रिलेटेड अबाउट हाउ फास्ट और हाउ क्विकली यू डिड इट माय क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट आई नो इट्स नॉट एन ईजी टास्क टू डू दिस बट आई वांट टू हियर इट फ्रॉम you now as somebody who's a CS student as well who has been a CS student as well has cleared this US CMA and has cleared their US CPA now कि जो ये जून से दिसंबर तक का टाइम था to clear these papers was this a difficult time
Indeed, it was a difficult time because uh, I cannot afford any failure now. And even the fee here, which is on stake, is quite high
per
in
exam cost
comparison.
बहुत है
Yes, yes, it's about 80,000.
हाँ हाँ
Whereas we can go for examination in about 5,000 for CA.
हाँ
So ये
तो
पे
CA में
वहाँ पर
जितने
शायद
बड़े
कम है.
exam दो, हाँ
Yes, yes.
बट यहाँ अटेम्प्ट लगे तो बहुत मोटा नुकसान होता है
And now I'm earning as well, so I'm putting my own money on stake.
हाँ
I cannot lose. Want
lose
to
the fee.
lose? Yeah.
हाँ तो you put in a lot of effort
Yes.
टाइम लगा
उसके
but
लिए
is it
I was
more difficult than CA or is it easier than CA
It is comparable,
okay
rather with much favorable results available to you.
yeah क्योंकि यहाँ result pass percentages are much higher
Yes.
as opposed to CA and I think even the content width and breadth is pretty contained well
Yes.
contained
Yes.
within the
yes.
subjects
Within the subjects, and
बहुत बड़ा
even
नहीं है,
your
फैलावा नहीं
if you have something back in background such as CA or CS, like even if you have
a good BCom even
Yes.
then you have a strong base
yes,
तो उससे भी मदद मिलती है
definitely.
एंड यही इसका एडवांटेज है ना कि लिमिटेड कंटेंट है तो ऐसा नहीं लगता सीए के जैसे कि
And
यार
even they are
एक ही
testing it
subject
very
की
relevant.
4 किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं तो भी लग रहा है कुछ मिस आउट हो रहा है
Yes.
वैसा सीन नहीं है
True.
इसमें ये सीन है कि फोर बुक्स 4 सब्जेक्ट्स इज व्हाट इट इज
And there is
ये
very
content
much
है।
content, very much less testing about your mugging up technique.
हाँ
They are testing your concepts. If you are conceptually good, they are okay with it.
यस इट्स मोर प्रैक्टिकल इन नेचर
Yes,
Just
that
like
is
he
what,
tested.
that is what motivates me to go for examination as quickly as possible.
नाइस गुड आंसर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग अस नो इसके अलावा अब एक आखिरी सवाल तो नहीं कहूँगा मैं मेरा ये थर्ड लास्ट सवाल है बट माय थर्ड लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज आई नो नाउ दैट you're well placed and touch wood all went well with you were able to clear it well you have gotten placed अब कितनी देर में इसकी भी बात मैं पूछूंगा आपसे एंड द पैकेज यू गॉट इज वेरी डिसेंट जो आपके एक्सपीरियंस के साथ विद योर क्वालिफिकेशंस होना चाहिए था द वर्ल्ड हैज डिलीवर्ड टू यू so your life has somewhat come back on track and I'm sure I wish you great success in the future आगे और भी बढ़ेगी but my question was जो मेरे को actually जानना वो ये है कि from the date of getting your CPA result to getting placed कितना टाइम लगा इस पूरे प्रोसेस में
It's completely a 1 month's time.
that's it
Yeah, I got my results on 15th of December, and I got placed. I got my offer letter on 16th of Jan.
अच्छा so that's pretty quick yeah it's like less than a month that's very good अच्छा that's nice but okay with that being said एक चीज और है that I want to talk about so मतलब you've done really well in your CPA. अभी तो हमने scores की बात भी नहीं करी, but I just want to put it out there that you're one of those people who scored 90 plus in a subject, which is rare. कम लोग कर पाते हैं. So you got good scores. You cleared your CPA, your CMA. You've also done your CA inter. You got placed in everything. But while all of this was happening, you've also done one more thing, which I think is pretty cool. You've come from that side of the camera to this side. You were at a point in time a student, and now you've come back and you've actually started taking up OTB classes at Edumont. So you've sort of become a teacher yourself. So tell me about this experience.
If I start talking about this, so I think I was one of the more sincere student of your class who was always active on chat
Yes.
box as well.
Yes.
So, and also I want to keep my learning, retain my learning for the longer term, and that can only be possible once you become a teacher, because you have to keep yourself updated. And moreover, I am able to connect with people in this journey who are there in their CPA journey. So I also want to help them. So that's why I joined.
वो भी एक मजा है, एक छोटी सी किक है. Correct. That's very nice. So there's this one question, the last question that I want to ask you. वैसे तो I know what you're going to say. मुझे पता है because I've been in this journey with you for a little over a year now. But publicly भी पूछ ही लेता हूँ because my marketing team keeps telling me कि ये मेरे को पूछना चाहिए. So I'll ask this question. How was your experience at Edumont?
So it was a great experience of mine here at Edumont. First of all, what I found is the classes which are taken up here are bilingual. Like we are using Hindi plus English, which is not happening with other institute, at least the one which I tried. So I don't think everybody is very much comfortable with only English. Even at least for North Indian students, they'll get a better comfort if they are getting.
तो connect करना
Yes.
आसान रहता है ना.
Correct,
That's the
correct.
point.
And even if their Hindi is used, then maybe they are more open to ask the question. Because sometimes if they able to see only in English, then maybe they realize later कि यार ये तो कुछ बोला था जो पता ही नहीं चला. वो निकल गया है. So that does not happen to me. Thankfully, it all due to Edumont that वो classes bilingual थी. Second is the live classes, which is not happening with most of the other institutes,
Right.
which I heard of.
Right.
They are only providing the recording and saying कि ठीक है आप इससे prepare करो and go for your examination. I took live classes, that helped me a lot.
Live classes उससे फर्क.
Yes, because obviously if you are into live classes, then you can ask your doubts straight away.
Right
instead of
then
waiting.
and there. समझते हुए ही पूछ सकते हो. तो concept भी ज़्यादा देर टिकता है ना दिमाग में. That's the point.
Because it's a professional course, you can't afford to ask it later.
Yes.
And the third and most important was the last minute preparation check. I use that always.
हाँ.
अब preparation कर लिया sir, should I go for exam or not?
हाँ. Absolutely. मतलब वो what you
Game
call
plan call.
preparation check. हाँ हम game plan call बुलाते हैं
Yes,
उसको.
yes.
So that's just a fancy way of saying कि अपन connect कर रहे हैं one on one on a phone. Basically teacher और student connect कर रहे हैं.
I always use that except for my regulation because there was no much time.
There wasn't much time there. और मैं शायद उस पर अप्रूवल भी ना देता. But point is you knew what to do then. That was the
Correct.
fourth exam. So
Yeah,
you were able to get.
At that time I was much have a comfort zone with it कि मेरे को क्या क्या करना है जिसके बाद मुझे ये go ahead मिल
मिल
जाएगा.
जाएगा और मेरा
So I already did that.
Right, right. Okay, thank you so much for those kind words. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Pleasure.
And I hope students who are watching this at home or folks who are watching this at home feel motivated to take up this qualification for themselves and turn around their lives. With that being said, if you have any questions that you want to ask us, or if you have any ideas for a podcast that you'd want us to do for you, please leave it in the comments. Here at Edumont, we read all our comments and we try and respond to them as much as we can. और अगर आपका कोई topic idea हमें अच्छा लगता है तो we'll certainly be producing a podcast on it for you. With that being said, thank you for watching. Bye.